Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator Divya Miss. Children, today in English grammar we will continue our chapter singular and plural. Children, let's open the page number 16. Exercise A. Add S to these naming words and make words which stand for more than one. Children, we will add S to these words to make them plural, to make them more than one. They are singular. They are stands for one. Spoon. One spoon. But if there are more than one spoon, we will add S to it. Spoons. Kite. Kite is a singular word. We will add S to make it plural. Kites. Bottle. Bottle word stands for one. So we will add S to it. Bottles. 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 Star. Stars. Flower. Flowers. Fan. Fans. Umbrella. Umbrellas. We will add S. UMBRELLAS. Umbrellas. Bag. Bags. Cap. Caps. Chair. Chairs. Very good, children. Now come on the next page. Page number 17. Exercise B. Now here what we will do? We will drop S from these words and make words which stand for one thing. Children, here there are plural words. We will drop S. Drop S means we will remove S. We will remove S, we will delete S and we will make them singular. Pins. It is a plural word. It stands for more than one. We will remove S. We will drop S. We will remove S. So, pin. Bats. Bat. We will remove S. We will drop S. Here, bats is a plural word. Bat is a singular word which stand for one thing. Hats. Hat. Toys. Toy. Combs. Comb. Bears, bed. Tables, table. Table is a singular word which stand for one thing. Tables is a plural word which stand for more than one table. If there are more than one table, we will say tables. Understand na children? Bananas. Banana. We will remove S, we will drop S and we will write banana. Pencils. Pencil. Shirts. Shirt. We will remove S. Children, again learn all these words and write it in your notebook also one more time for practice.